It's okay. Who's your character?
Alice from Xenos.
Maybe you can do some of her. Alright. Okay, hold on, hold on, hold on. Maybe more, yeah. Maybe on this side. Yeah, you do something like this. Yeah. Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1. Do one more, please. You can lower down your knee. Yeah.
Laser lights across the